two-point form of equation of a straight line. In today's lecture, with the help of 2 points, we will form an equation. So theorem says equation of a non-vertical straight line. This is a non-vertical straight line passing through 2 points, which is passing through 2 points. Suppose point number 1 is Q and its coordinates are x1, y1, and second is R whose coordinates are x2 and y2. So these are the 2 points through which a non-vertical straight line is passing. So the formula to form an equation is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So how we can prove this relation? Let this P be any arbitrary point on this straight line L. So let P be any arbitrary point of the line L which is passing through these 2 points Q and R. So as this P, Q and R are collinear points. Collinear means lie on a same line. As P, Q and R, they are collinear points. It means lie on a same line. So when points are collinear, their slopes are same. Must remember this point. So it means the slope of these 3 points, that is QP, RP, QR, all will be same. We have 3 points. Q with coordinates x1, y1. Then we have R with coordinates x2, y2. Then we have P with coordinates x and y. So the slope of QP is equals to slope of RP is equals to slope of QR because of their collinear, because of their being collinear. So the slope of Q and P, it will be y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. This is equals to RP, the slope of these 2 points, which is y minus y2 divided by x minus x2. Last is QR. The slope of these 2 points is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it means if these 3 points are equal, we can take any 2 points. So we take y minus y1 x minus x1 is equals to this third point, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is y minus y1 equals to, if we take this factor to the other side of equality, it will multiply with this factor, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and this will multiply and become x minus x1. So we have proved. So now let's take different examples to understand the concept more easily. So write an equation of the line through points minus 2, 1 and 6, minus 4. So we have 2 points, minus 2, 1 and 6, minus 4. So let us label that this is x1, y1, this is x2 and y2. The formula to form an equation from 2 points is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So putting the values in this formula, y minus the value of y1 is 1 equals the value of y2 is minus 4 minus the value of y1 is 1. Now the value of x2 is 6 and the value of x1 is minus 2. X minus the value of x1 is minus 2. So y minus 1 is equals to minus 4 minus 1 is equals to minus 5 and 6 minus minus plus 6 plus 2. Here also x and minus minus is plus 2. So this is y minus 1 which is equals to minus 5, 6 plus 2 is 8 and this is x plus 2. Taking this 8 to the other side of equality to form an equation more easily, minus 5 x plus 2. This is 8y minus 8. This is minus 5x and minus plus is minus 5 2 times is 10. This is 8y. Taking this 5x minus 5x to the other side of equality and making it positive. This is minus 8 and plus 10. Sign is changed because of the migration towards the other side. So this is 5x plus 8y. Minus plus is minus. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Let's take another example. Write an equation of line through points. A is 3, minus 2 and B minus 1, 3. So this is 3, minus 2 and minus 1, 3. This is x1, y1. This is x2 and y2. So writing the formula, y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y minus, this is y1, y2 is 3, y1 is minus 2. Then we have x2 which is minus 1, then minus and x1 which is 3 into x minus the value of x1 is 3. So y minus minus is plus which is equals to 3 plus 2 and minus 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 4. This is x minus 3. Now this is y plus 2 which is equals to 5 over minus 4 and this is x minus 3. Taking this minus 4 to the other side of equality, we have this form. So minus 4 into y is minus 4y, minus plus is minus 4, 2 times is 8. This is 5x plus minus minus 5 3 times is 15. So this we have is minus 4y minus 5x minus 8 plus 15 which is equals to 0. So minus 4y minus 5 7 which is equals to 0. Taking minus common, we have 5x plus 4y minus 7 is equals to 0 and lastly we have 5x plus 4y minus 7 is equals to 0, which is the equation we want.